Let's upgrade my GPU. You know the drill, gotta remove these cords first. Got this nice vacuum blower combination. Don't judge me for the dust. I can't believe I built this PC maybe around like 5 years ago. It was my first PC build. I'm working with the 1070 Ti at the moment, but with the market kind of crashing it seems, I was finally able to get an upgrade to a 3070 Ti. Way bigger than I expected. Honestly, not very hard. I'm always scared to touch things in my PC, but then I realize it's basically like messing with Legos. Got everything in, and it works just fine.